Good day, I'm Vihani Palencia, a trainee from Batch 3 at the Great Horizon Technological Vocational School. This competency is funding promptly to guest request, reporting any damage, maintenance issues, and lost and found items.
Good day, I'm Bernadette de la Cruz, a trainee under Batch 3, and I'm currently pursuing my certification in housekeeping NC2 at Faith Horizon Technological Vocational School. For today's presentation, we will be discussing one of our core competency in the field of housekeeping, which is provide housekeeping service to guests. This competency focuses on delivering high quality and personalized service to hotel guests. It is essential to maintain professional image, follow hospitality standards, and respond to guest needs efficiently.
Today, I'm Michelle Guzman, a trainee from Batch 3 under the course of Housekeeping NC2 at Faith Horizon Technological Vocational School. This competency focuses on delivering excellent housekeeping services that meets the expectations of guests and maintains high hospitality standards.
Good day everyone, I am Michelle Castro, a trainee of Housekeeping NC2 Batch 3 at the Faith Horizon Technological School. This competency covers a range of essential tasks that ensure guest rooms and amenities are clean, maintained, and prepared to meet high hospitality standards.
Good morning everyone, I'm Emmanuel Sobilon. I'm a student from Housekeeping NC2 at Faith Horizon Technological Vocational School. One of the core competencies in housekeeping, providing consistent, respectfully, and detailed service and ensured a comfortable stay for every guest.
Hello, good morning. Thank you for calling Housekeeping Department. This is Vihani. How may I help you?
Hi, good morning. I would like to request for a blower, kettle, and one extra cup and saucer.
Yes, ma'am. May I have your name and your number?
Yes, I'm Michelle Rivera and my room number is 1506.
Thank you, ma'am. Just to confirm, your request is a blower, kettle, and a cup of saucer.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, ma'am. What time would you like to deliver?
Can you please deliver it by 8 in the morning?
Noted on business, Rivera. I will send someone to deliver the request. Is there anything I can assist you with?
Nothing else. Thank you. You're welcome, Mom. Have a nice day.
Good morning, this is Michelle from Storage.
Good morning, this is Vihani. Room 1506 is requested for a blower, kettle, and cup of saucer. Kindly deliver it.
Yes, certainly.
In room 1506, requested those items to be delivered at 8 p.m.
Noted, I'll prepare and deliver it on time.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Housekeeping! Good morning, Ms. Rivera. I'm Emmanuel Sobilon from Housekeeping Department. I'm here to deliver the applicant. The blower and cupping saucer. Can I come in?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, would you like me to close the door or leave it open?
Close the door.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. What is it, ma'am? Ma'am, where would you like me to place the item that you request?
Just put it here on the table.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, there is anything else I can assist you?
I'm all good. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for contacting housekeeping. Enjoy your stay with us and have a great day.
Thank you. Housekeeping. Housekeeping.
No, I'm here to Lapus. I'm here to collect the items that you requested earlier. Thank you, ma'am.
Here are the items.
Okay, ma'am. can you please sign in to prove that I already collected the items?
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Is there anything else that I can do to assist you, ma'am?
I'm all good, ma'am.
Thank you very much and have a great day. I hope you enjoy your stay in our home. Thank you. Thank you.
That concludes our presentation on the core competency provide housekeeping services to guests. As a future housekeeping professional, mastering this competency allow me to handle guest interactions with confidence, politeness, and accountability. It is reflection to the hotel commitment to excellent service and comfortable stay. Thank you very much and I hope you enjoy the presentation.